In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating magnifying effect using Canva in just a few simple steps. Canva is a versatile design tool that allows you to add interesting visual elements to your projects. This magnifying effect is a great way to highlight details or bring focus to important parts of your design. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, open your Canva project and head over to the left menu. You'll see a section labeled Elements. Click on it to expand a variety of options available for you to use. Within this section, we're aiming to find a tool that can help us create that magnified look. Next, look for the frame option within Elements. With a variety of frames at your disposal, our focus will be on selecting a circle frame. This shape will serve as your magnifier. Once you've found the circle frame, click to add it to your design canvas. Now, you might need to resize this frame to fit the area you wish to emphasize. You can do this easily by clicking and dragging the corners of the frame, adjusting it to your desired size for that perfect magnification scope. Continuing on, we need to create a connection between the area outside the frame and the frame itself to underscore what's being magnified. Use the Elements panel once more and type Shapes in the search bar. Look for a simple line shape which will act as our connecting element. Once you locate it, add the line shape to your page. Position this line so that it points towards your circle frame, essentially linking it to the precise spot you want to highlight in your design. With our frames and lines set up, it's time to add some content. Simply drag and drop your chosen image into the circle frame. You may notice that the image fills the frame automatically, adjusting itself to fit within the circle. Here comes the fun part, we're almost there. Finally, double-click on the image inside the frame to access an adjustment mode. This lets you reposition your image to get just the right area under the magnifying glass. Move the image around until you've perfectly aligned the section you want to emphasize. And there you have it, your image is magnificently highlighted, adding a unique touch to your design. Whether you're using this for a professional presentation or a creative project, this clever technique can help draw attention to crucial details in a visually appealing way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you explore more creative possibilities with Canva. Don't forget to experiment and have fun with different designs. Enjoy your creative journey.